Oh, so are you finished? I'm sorry,
No.
there was some problem. Have you finished yet?
No.
Okay, so continue, please. Oh, I'm going to put it back here for you, okay?
Yes.
So who were they? How old they were? Where where did you meet them? Also, how did you feel? Were you excited, happy, annoyed? And I want you to tell me the result. Like,
Yes.
yeah, or did you become friends or not? Okay.
Đừng mỏi tay không được tắm nắng thế rồi. Sao lâu ngày không có thi học, hồi xưa chỉ biết đọc kỹ thuật tự xứ.
I'm finished.
Okay, very good. So can you tell me what you prepared, please?
Yes.
Okay.
I meet a new friend, and the new friend I meet is Hoàng Anh. Hoàng Anh is 11 years old, and I meet Hoàng Anh in the school. I feel this a good friend because I feel this is a good friend because she is very friendly and she talk with me is very good. They talk together is very happy. And I like her and we become a friends.
Okay. Very good.
Okay.
Is there anything more?
No.
Okay. Okay. It's very good. Yeah, you did well, better than you've done before. But here are some points that I want you to pay attention to, okay? So first, you say, I met a friend, and a friend I met is Hoàng Anh. You say something like that, right? You say some. You say
meet.
Oh, you meet. Okay.
Yes.
Very good. So this is what you said in your opening, right? Okay.
Yes.
So the first thing that you should pay attention to is the tense. You know the tense of the sentence. Do you know what tense is?
Tense.
Tense. Tense. This word. Tense. Like simple past, present simple. Those are tenses. Do you know what they are?
Yes.
Okay. So considering tenses, do you think this sentence of yours is in the right tense?
Meeting.
Oh, why do you say so?
I'm meeting. Oh no.
Okay. I'm going to give you a clue, okay? So when did this event happen? When did this happen?
I meeting a new friend, and a friend I'm meeting is Hoàng Anh.
Okay. So is this something that has already happened in the past, or is something that is happening now? What I'm saying is this friend of yours, did you meet her in the past? Do you know what the past is?
Past? Yes.
Did this happen in the past?
I meet.
Nghĩa là chị hỏi là cái việc mà em gặp bạn Hoàng Anh này á là nó xảy ra trong quá khứ hay là nó đang diễn ra hiện giờ?
In the past.
So if it is in the past, which tense should you use? Is it the present simple or the present continuous? Present simple is if you is meet. Present continuous is meeting, and simple past is met. If it is in the past, then which tense should you use?
We use tense simple past.
Okay. Yeah. Can you tell me why?
Because I meet her in the past.
Okay, so why should you not use present continuous in this sentence?
Because I don't meet her in the prison.
Okay, yeah, very well. Yeah, so you get the point. You do not use meeting because you are not meeting her right now in the present. Okay, so first, this is a grammatical point. You say, I met a friend, and the friend I met is Hoàng Anh. Okay, and the second point is that, do you think that it is a bit boring to repeat the word a friend I met? Do you think so?
Yes.
Yeah. So a good way to avoid this boredom is to replace a friend I met with she. I met a friend and she is Hoàng Anh. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. You see what I mean? She here actually means a friend I met. Okay, you understand? Yeah. So a better way to say this is, I met a friend and she is Hoàng Anh. Also, if this was in the present past, then this verb has to be in the past too. Nghĩa là câu này á, vế đầu nó là quá khứ thì vế sau của em cũng phải là quá khứ luôn, chứ không thể là vế đầu là quá khứ vế sau hiện tại được. Cho nên em sẽ nói là I met a friend and she was Hoàng Anh. Okay. And the second part, this was something I talked to you about. You say, you and her talked together happy. Do you notice anything wrong in this phrase? Talked together happy.
It's wrong.
Why? Grammatically.
We talk together is very happy.
Oh, so what you meant was we talked together and it was happy, right?
Yes.
Okay, so this is good enough. But yeah, so if you want to describe the way that you talked together, you might want to use talked together happily. Do you remember this grammar point? Yeah. Remember how you said, I speak English well rather than I speak English good, right? Yeah, here's the same. You talk happily. Yeah, not you talk happy, right? Okay, so, you also said something. We become, sorry. Okay, nothing. I'm sorry. Something went wrong.
Yeah.
Let me turn this off. I'm sorry. Okay, so back to the lesson. Okay. So you said something like, we become a friend. Did you? Did you say something like this?
Yes. We became a friend.
Okay, so do you notice anything unnatural in this phrase?
We became a friend.
Good guess, but it's actually the phrase for becoming together is we become friends. Because there are two of you rather than just one, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So you become friends, not you become a friend, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, if you want to use one word, if you want to use the word friend, you might want to say, I became a friend of hers. Then this a friend is you. You see what I mean? Yeah. Or she became a friend of mine. Like, she became my friend. Yeah, and
Yes.
and that a friend is used to describe her, only one person. Yeah, but here you used we, so it has to represent both of you. So you have to use we become friends rather than we become a friend. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so very well. We shall move to the next section, okay?
Yes.
Okay, mouse. Oh, here it goes again. Hold on. Okay. Okay, so now you and I will do the second activity. We will read these conversations are messed up. The order is rearranged. So we are going to read it together and discuss and put them into order, okay? So
Yes.
please read through the conversation in number 1, okay?
Hello, Ted. How are you?
No, I mean you read it silently yourself,
Yeah.
and you try to figure out the right order of the conversation.
I'm finished.
Okay, very good. May I ask you what you are seeing on the screen? What are you seeing on your screen? Is it the book?
Yes.
Okay, very well. Okay, so you say, hello Ted, how are you? So what do you have for number 2?
Hi Lisa, I'm good. How about you?
Okay, so we put it here. Text. Hi Lisa, I'm good. How are you? Okay, so what you have for number 3?
I'm right. Oh, Ted, this is my friend Kate.
Okay, and so what you have for number 4 is.
Hello, Ted. How are you doing?
Oh, very well. You did well. And the last one is. Yeah.
Fine. It's nice to meet you, Kate.
Okay, very well. I have a good feeling on your work. So how about the second exercise? Have you done it?
Yes.
Okay, so what's the first one?
Oh, well, Bill, this is Toby. Bill.
So how about number 2?
It's good to meet you, too, Toby.
Okay, so what about number 3?
Good to meet you, Bill.
It's good to meet you, Bill. Okay, number 4.
Do you two know each other?
Okay, yes. What about number 5? It's the last one.
No, we don't.
Okay, very good. So now we are going to listen to these conversations and find out if you've done it right, okay?
Yeah. Can I change the two
Okay, yes, you can. How do you want to change it?
I want to change 2 become 3 and 3 become 2.
3, 2 becomes 3. And
Yes.
3 becomes 2.
Yes.
Yeah, so it becomes, oh, well, Bill, this is Toby. Toby, Bill. Good to meet you, Bill. It's good to meet you too, Toby. Do you know each other? Okay, very good. So here, I will play the recording for you. And we shall check your work together, okay?
Yes.
Okay, wait, hold on. Oh, no. Are you still seeing the book? Is there anything popping up on you? On your screen? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay.
I see a book.
Yeah, but do you see other things? Like, do you see files and things like that? Do you?
No.
Okay, very good. Okay. Turning on. All right, so did you notice anything about your work?
I don't listen anything.
What, you didn't hear anything? Wait, that is so weird. Hold on. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to. Okay, now we shall do it again, okay? So next time when you do not hear anything, speak up as soon as possible, okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
Page 4.
Now, can you hear?
Lesson 1A.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's get to know each other. Activity 1. Part C. Listen. You will now hear the conversations in Part B. Were your answers correct? Conversation 1.
Hello, Ted. How are you?
Hi, Lisa. I'm good. How about you?
I'm great. Oh, Ted, this is my friend Kate.
Hello, Ted. How are you doing?
Fine. It's nice to meet you, Kate.
Conversation 2.
Do you two know each other?
No, we don't.
Oh, well, Bill, this is Toby. Toby, Bill.
Good to meet you, Bill. It's good to meet you too, Toby.
Okay, so do you notice anything about your work?
Yes.
Okay, so how well did you do on number 1?
It's good.
Okay, how about number 2?
It's wrong.
It's alright, but yeah, you got it almost right. That's good enough, okay? So now we fix this together, okay? We're gonna use the red pen. So what was the first sentence?
Do you two know each other?
Yeah, very well. So the second one?
Good to meet you, Bill.
Are you sure?
Huh?
Are you sure?
Yes.
Well, so if I ask you, do you know me? Will you answer me? Or will you say that you are glad to meet me?
It's good to meet you too, Toby.
Well, can you read the first sentence for me to get again, please?
Do you two know each other?
Okay, so is it a question?
Oh well. Oh well, Bill. This is Toby.
Well, I'm going to give you a clue, okay?
Yes.
So this sentence, do you two know each other, is a question, okay? Do you know what a question is?
I think speak Vietnamese.
Okay, là cái câu này á, do you two know each other á, là một câu hỏi. Cho nên sau đó phải là một câu trả lời để trả lời cho câu hỏi này, chứ không phải là một câu nào đó khác. Vậy thì em nghĩ câu nào sẽ trả lời cho câu này?
I think oh well, Bill. This is Toby. Toby, Bill.
Okay, that's a good guess. So, em nghĩ là cái câu do you two know each other nó nghĩa là gì?
Đó là bạn có biết hai cái khác không? Bạn có biết?
Okay, that's a good guess. Em nghĩ each other nó nghĩa là gì? Each other.
Khác.
Oops. Okay. Wait, cái này nó. Okay. Wait. Em nghĩ là each other nó nghĩa là gì? Chữ này nè.
Dạ khác nhau.
Đó là một câu trả lời. Well, that's an interesting point. Well, each other có nghĩa là nhau. Each là từng cái. Each là từng cái. Other là khác. Mà cùng với nhau nó có nghĩa là có biết nhau không á. Là hai người này có biết nhau không? Okay. So, do you two know each other? Nghĩa là hai bạn có biết nhau chưa? Okay.
Yes.
So, vậy thì sau cái câu hỏi này thì câu trả lời sẽ là gì?
Câu trả lời It's good to meet you too, Toby.
Well, that's a good guess. Nhưng mà câu trả lời đúng thật ra là câu này nè. Em biết tại sao không?
No we don't, là chúng tôi không biết nhau.
Tại vì câu hỏi là bây giờ hai người có biết nhau chưa? Thì câu trả lời là chưa, hai tụi mình chưa biết nhau. Hoặc là có hai đứa biết rồi, chứ không có thể là những cái câu khác như là tôi rất vui được gặp bạn hay là như vậy, hiểu không? Chưa kể là nó không thể nào là câu đầu là cái câu oh well Bill, this is Toby, Toby Bill được. Tại vì cái câu do you two know each other đó là do Akiko nói. Akiko, em để ý đi. Thì ở trên Akiko không thể tự trả lời cho Akiko được. Em hiểu gì không? Đúng rồi. Cho nên câu trả lời đúng ở đây là sẽ là no we don't. Okay? Rồi do hai người này chưa biết nhau cho nên Akiko mới tiếp tục là giới thiệu hai người để cho hai người làm quen với nhau. Cho nên câu tiếp theo sẽ là câu gì?
Tiếp theo câu số 2 đúng không chị?
Câu 3. Vậy là câu 3 sẽ là câu nào?
Good to meet you, Bill.
Trước khi mà hai người đã gặp gỡ nhau á, thì Akiko phải giới thiệu họ với nhau đã. Vậy thì câu tiếp theo sẽ là gì?
Oh well, Bill, this is Toby, Toby, Bill.
Okay, very good. Yep, you got it right. So, what is number 4?
Number 4. Good to meet you, Bill.
Okay, very good. You're smart. Okay, so how about the last one?
Last one is uh, it's good to meet you too, Toby.
Okay, very well. So yeah, you did quite well in this exercise. Now we shall move to the next exercise, okay?
Yes.
And two. Okay. Now I shall scroll down. Nope, it's not scrolling down. Okay. Okay, and now we are going to read these we are going to oops. I'm sorry. Okay. We are going to read these conversations together, okay? But we are going to use our names instead, okay?
Yes.
So instead of using Ted, Lisa, Kate, we use Kim and Lynn, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so for conversation number 1, do you want to go first?
No, you go first.
Okay. So, hello Lynn, how are you?
Hi Kim, I'm good. How about you?
I'm great. Oh, Lynn, this is my friend. We don't have the third partner, so let's pretend this is the third partner, okay? So this guy is Ted, okay? So okay, so hello Lynn, how are you?
I'm fine. Oh no. Hello, Ted. How are you doing?
Oh, fine. Nice to meet you, Lynn. Okay. Okay, so we
Nice to
move
meet
on
you.
to we move on to the second conversation, okay? And this bottle will play Toby, okay? I will play Akiko and you will play Bill.
Yes.
Okay? We take turns in being Toby, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll go first. Do you two know each other?
No, we don't.
Oh, well, Lynn, this is Toby. Toby, Lynn.
Good to meet you, Bill.
It's good to meet you too, Lynn. Alright? So you get the point, right? Yeah, it's kind of messed up. Yeah, it's kind of messed up because we do not have a third person here, but I think that's good practice. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. Hold on, it's gonna, okay. Okay, so here you see have this little exercise. You see these questions in section A, pair work. You see them?
Yes.
Okay, so do you know what they mean?
I don't know this word.
You can use annotate and underline them for me. Ah, similar. Yeah, that means the same. The same, you know? Like this bottle is similar to this bottle. They're the same. But they do not have to be exactly the same. They're just kind of the same. Like, yeah, like this pen is similar to that pen, which means they are almost the same. Not completely the same, but almost the same, right? Okay,
Điểm
so
chung á chị.
yeah, đúng rồi, nó tương tự chứ không phải là giống hoàn toàn. Nó giống nhưng mà không giống hoàn toàn. So what I want you to do is you match these questions with the questions with the similar meaning in section B. You see? You see? Okay, you see this form of an interview, okay? And you see these questions, they have the same meaning. So you write in the line below where you put, like for example, you see in question number 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you see what's your family name and what's your last name. They have the same meaning. So you put the question, what's your family name, underneath the question, what's your last name? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so you please do the same with the other sentences. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. You have 2 minutes.
Đi dạy mới về.
Để cho con lấy cục cơm. I'm finished.
Okay, very good. So what do you have for number 2?
I have a what your hometown?
Can you pronounce it more clearly, please? I mean, pay more attention to the S. Can you read again, please?
What's your hometown?
Yeah, very well. What's your hometown? Okay. You might want to add some intonation because English is a very melodious language. You do not want to sound like a robot, right? So instead of saying what's your hometown, you want to say what's your hometown, okay? So can you say it again, please?
What's your hometown?
Yeah. What's your hometown?
What's your hometown?
Town. Okay, yeah. What's your hometown?
What's your hometown?
Yeah, very good. Okay, so what about number 3?
What's your address?
Okay, very good. What's your address? You did well in this one. Okay, so how about number 4?
What do you do?
What do you do? What do you do? Okay, so number 5.
What do you do in your free time?
Okay, very good. What do you do in your free time. Okay? What do you do in your free time? Can you say that sentence again, please?
What do you do in your free time?
Okay, very good. Good enough. What about the last one?
What's your favorite kind of music?
Yep, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, so now I'm going to play you a recording. And what you will do is that you listen and you see the boxes on the left of these sentences.
On the left. Yes.
Okay, so in the recording, you hear the interviewer ask, and these sentences have the same meaning, but he will either ask where are you from or what's your hometown. So you tick the question that you hear, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I shall play it.
Page 5. Activity 2. Part B. Listen. A radio host is interviewing Stella, a fashion designer. Check the questions you hear.
Now it's time for my guest. It's Stella, the fashion designer. She has a really exciting new collection, and she's here with us today. Thanks for coming to the studio, Stella. We're very happy to see you.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Okay, let me ask you some questions. First, we all know you as Stella. What's your last name?
It's Kim. My name is Stella Kim.
I guess just Stella is easier to remember. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm originally from Toronto.
Oh, where do you live? Do you still live in Canada?
No, I live in Paris now, but my family still lives in Toronto.
I see. Well, Stella, where do you work?
Well, I guess I work mainly in France. My company is in Paris.
And what do you do in your free time?
Well, I love to travel. Oh, and I read a lot.
Interesting. And what's your favorite kind of music?
I like all kinds of music, really. But, well, I would say classical music is my favorite.
Really? Okay, Stella. Oh, well, I'm afraid we're just about out of time. Thanks again for being a guest on our program.
You're welcome.
And if you want to see Stella's designs, go to our website. That's
Okay, so did you do it well?
Yes.
Okay, so what did you hear for number 2?
I hear where are you from?
Okay, very good. So how about number 3?
Where do you live?
Okay, so number 4?
Where do you work?
Number 5?
Oh, wait. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Number 5 is what do you do in your free time?
Okay, so number 6?
What's your favorite kind of music?
Okay, very well. Okay, so the next thing I want you to do is I will play the record for you again, and this time you will note down the answer of the fashion designer, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Page 5. Activity 2. Part B. Listen. A radio host is interviewing Stella, a fashion designer. Check the questions you hear.
Now it's time for my guest. It's Stella, the fashion designer. She has a really exciting new collection, and she's here with us today. Thanks for coming to the studio, Stella. We're very happy to see you.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Okay, let me ask you some questions. First, we all know you as Stella. What's your last name?
It's Kim. My name is Stella Kim.
I guess just Stella is easier to remember. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm originally from Toronto.
Oh, Where do you live? Do you still live in Canada?
No, I live in Paris now, but my family still lives in Toronto.
I see. Well, Stella, where do you work?
Well, I guess I work mainly in France. My company is in Paris.
And what do you do in your free time?
Well, I love to travel. Oh, and I read a lot.
Interesting. And what's your favorite kind of music?
I like all kinds of music, really. But, well, I would say classical music is my favorite.
Really? Okay, Stella. Oh, well, I'm afraid we're just about out of time. Thanks again for being a guest on our program.
You're welcome.
And if you want to see Stella's designs, go to our website. That's
Okay, so did you get all of the answers?
No, I don't listen to answer.
Okay.
I don't know to answer.
So what was the answer that you missed?
4 and 6.
4 and 6. Where do you work and what is the music you like? So do you want to listen again?
Yes.
Okay.
Page 5. Activity 2. Part B. Listen. A radio host is interviewing Stella, a fashion designer. Check the questions you hear.
Now it's time for my guest. It's Stella, the fashion designer. She has a really exciting new collection, and she's here with us today. Thanks for coming to the studio, Stella. We're very happy to see you.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Okay, let me ask you some questions. First, we all know you as Stella. What's your last name?
It's Kim. My name is Stella Kim.
I guess just Stella is easier to remember. Where are you from?
Oh, I'm originally from Toronto.
Oh, where do you live? Do you still live in Canada?
No, I live in Paris now, but my family still lives in Toronto.
I see. Well, Stella, where do you work?
Well, I guess I work mainly in France. My company is in Paris.
And what do you do in your free time?
Well, I love to travel. Oh, and I read a lot.
Interesting. And what's your favorite kind of music?
I like all kinds of music, really. But, well, I would say classical music is my favorite.
Really? Okay, Stella. Oh, well, I'm afraid we're just about out of time. Thanks again for being a guest on our program.
You're welcome.
And if you want to see Stella's designs, go to our website. That's
Okay. So did you get all of the answers now?
Yes.
Okay, so what did you get for number 2?
I have a Toronto.
Okay, so how do you spell it?
T-E-R Toronto. T-E-R-W-R-O-N-G.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a good guess. It's a good guess. It's good that you've heard the sounds and transcribed it onto paper. But the correct answer is Toronto. Do you know this place?
Nope.
Yeah, it's Toronto. I forgot where exactly it is, but yeah, that's the word. Wait. I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Yep. Yeah. So it's Toronto. You might want to do more research on this place and tell me where is this city is from. Okay. Okay. So where do you have for number 3?
I have Paris.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's hear that again.
Page 5.
She has a really exciting new Where are you from?
Oh, I'm originally from Toronto.
Yeah, Toronto. Okay, Toronto.
Oh, where do you live? Do you still live in Canada?
No, I live in Paris now, but my family still lives in Toronto.
Yep, very good. So your answer is correct. So where does she work? Which is number 4. What did you have for number 4?
I have designer.
Designer. Are you sure?
Yes.
What do you think the question mean?
Là làm việc. What do you what job do you do?
Oh, okay, I see. Cái này là hồi nãy chị cũng nhầm với em luôn rồi, nhưng mà thôi kệ cũng được. Rồi. Ok, chị hiểu rồi, đúng rồi. Ok, vậy thôi làm qua câu 5 ha. Câu 5 là em có gì vậy?
Travel and read a lot.
Yeah, read a lot. Yep, very good. So, what about number 6?
Classical music.
Yeah.
Classical music.
Yeah, it's classical music. This is the word. Hold on. Classical music. Do you know what classical music is?
I think nhạc đồng quê.
Gần đúng. Classic là nhạc cổ điển. Classical music là nhạc cổ điển. Như là Mozart hoặc là Beethoven nhé. Okay, it's very good. Well, I think we are running out of time now. So I will send you the new words and the new points that you've learned today, and I'll send you your homework. Okay. So this is the end of the class. Well, I would like to ask you some questions. Did you hear my roommates talking while you were studying with me?
Yes.
Okay. Did that bother you? Did that distract you?
No.
Okay. So you are okay with it, okay? Okay. Yes. I really appreciate that. Okay. So did you enjoy the lesson?
Yes.
Did you think that you speak a lot in this lesson?
Yes.
Okay, so do you think you learned new things today?
Yeah.
Okay, so give me one thing that you've learned today.
We learned about first time we meeting.
Okay.
Learn a new word.
Wow.
So that's all?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you for coming. Have a good night.
Yes, have a good night.
Bữa nào tắm mà không cầm cái đồ ấy lại đây.